What is up? If you are a busy Indian woman with or without PCOS living here in Canada and US, and if you are struggling to lose fat, and if you are tired of restarting your fat loss journey every Monday, then this is for you. You don't have a motivation problem, you just have a structure problem. So if you think you are lazy or your body is broken, trust me, you're not lazy, you're not broken. You are just trying to fix a wrong problem and you don't have the correct system to get results. So you have tried eating less, walking more, cutting out carbs, doing random workouts 5-6 days per week. Then suddenly work gets busy. Cravings hit, energy levels drops down, travel days come, social events come, hectic work schedule, and then life hits you hard. And then you restart again and again every single Monday, every single month. So my Freedom Reset program is exactly built for you because it removes all kind of randomness from your life and gives you clear 4-phase system. Even before I show you how, this is for you if you're struggling to lose fat after moving here. You're tired of restarting every Monday and never saw consistent progress. You want to lose fat without giving up rice, roti, and Indian meals. You want simple structure for your meals, for protein goals, for workouts that fits even with a busy schedule. You can commit to 3 workouts per week and following a clear structure system. And if you are finally ready to be consistent, I'm not saying perfect, then this is for you. This is not for you if you are looking for quick fixes, detox, or magic pills. You are someone who wants results without changing your habits and lifestyle. You quit the moment progress slows down. You rely only on motivation instead of building routines, habits, lifestyle. And you are someone who would rather complain about the situation than trying to commit to fixing it. Then this is not for you. The program is built in 4 phases. Each phase has one focus. No guessing, no jumping between the strategies, no decision fatigue. So first phase is hormone reset phase. Here the goal is we stabilize your energy levels. We focus on reducing your bloating, fixing your portion, building food awareness, building a relationship with food, and teaching you foundation plate method that gives you exact step-by-step system to start seeing results without counting calories or macros. So here you are going to learn how to eat, what to eat using Indian meals. Phase 2, ignition phase. This is where your fat loss accelerates because once you've built foundation in phase 1, this is going to rapidly increase your fat loss results. Then phase 3, performance phase. This is when your progress slows down. I'm going to teach you how to adjust, not just panic or quit. And then phase 4, becoming strong her, is where you become woman who is finally in control, who is consistent, and who feels confident in her own body. You have phase by phase system to follow. In each phase, you train 3 days per week, only 30 to 45 minute workouts. You have options for bodyweight workout that you can do at home. You can also do it in the apartment gym if you have access to that, or even if you have few equipments at home, then also I got you covered inside because consistency is going to beat intensity. So even if you don't have time to go to gym or if you don't want to go to gym, then also this program is 100% for you. You get monthly coaching calls because execution is important than motivation, and that's where you get accountability and support. And not to forget, there is Freedom Vault. This is where we solve real life problems. Don't think this is extra content. This is your problem solving library. You have got eating out blueprint, you have eating out guide, you have desert playbook, you have period week formula, busy 15-minute only workouts on busy days, you have 5-minute mobility workout, you have consistency playbook. So every time when life throws something at you, there's already a solution built in. And I also add new bonuses each month. So this is going to remove your fear. If you are thinking, what if I mess up during festivals? What if I'm traveling? What if I crave sweets? What if it's my period this week? Then this Freedom Vault is your solution to every question. If you are thinking, JB, what if I fail again? Fair. I completely understand because you have never failed a structured system long enough. You have only failed random attempts. And this is only $47 per month. So you can cancel anytime, no contracts. You just have to execute the phases that I have built. You just have to evaluate, and wherever you feel stuck, just reach out to me and I will help you and I will guide you so that you can make sure you are progressing each and every single phase. And if you follow the system properly as it is laid out for 60 days, and if you don't feel or see measurable progress, you get your money back, because that's how confident I am with this Freedom Reset program. Now, just for a moment, close your eyes and imagine 3 months from today. You are not bloated, you're not exhausted, you're not hiding in oversized clothes. You don't panic when you look in the mirror. You finally don't negotiate with yourself every Monday. Your relationship with food is good. You are feeling confident, leaner, stronger. PCOS symptoms are reduced because you are not trying anymore. Because now you have a structure, system. You train 3 days, you eat with awareness, your relationship with food is better, you adjust when life happens. So you don't restart from today, you only build forward. Let me show you what really happens when women like you follow this system. This is one of my client, Manasi, lost 14 kilos in 6 months. Another client lost 9 kilos in 80 days. Another client, Kiara, lost 20 pounds and got her periods back on time. She still eats rice and roti. Gina lost 11 pounds in 10 weeks while still eating out, celebrating birthdays, and enjoying food without guilt. Krishna didn't just lose 16 pounds. She rebuilt her belief in her own body. And there are many other women who finally felt in control of their body and health. So now you only have 2 options. Either you can keep restarting every single Monday and feel stuck in your life wherever you are right now with your health, with your body, or you can simply follow this system long enough for it to work. Click join below and I'll see you inside.